So dividing fractions, we have one extra step before we can do the division, and we don't actually ever divide fractions, we only multiply. The first step is to make sure that any mixed numbers are improper fractions, and you see in our example we have both of these are just fractions. And then we do our famous skip, flip, and multiply. So we look at our two fractions. We skip this first fraction. We just write it as is. We look at the next fraction, and that's the one we're going to flip. So 5/8 becomes 8/5. And then we multiply. So our multiplying steps are the same as what we just practiced in our earlier video. We multiply straight across. So 11 times 8 is going to give us 88. And 24 times -5 is going to give us -120. If I were to simplify this, I see that they're both even. They can both be divided by 4. And they can both be divided by 8. I'm going to go ahead and divide them both by 8. And I get 11/15. And because one's negative, one's positive, that Mr. Dozy, our best friend, tells us that our quotient will be negative. So multiplying and dividing fractions is similar, but multiplying or dividing, you must skip, flip, and multiply. So we skip this first one. We flip this second one, and we multiply them together. I'm going to give you two examples to try. -1/5 divided by -3/10. That's the first one. -3/8 divided by 9/16 is the second one. Spend a few minutes doing those. Remember your skip, flip, and multiply procedure. Hopefully you've had a chance to do the first one. -1/5 is the number we skip. -3/10 is the number we flip. And we multiply. -1 times -10 is, -1 times 10 is -10. 5 times -3 is -15. Negative and a negative make a positive. And then I can simplify those to 2/3. Hopefully you've had a chance to do the second example. Negative 3 times 16 is negative 48. 8 times 9 is 72. Those are both even, so I'll go ahead and simplify them. I get negative 24 over over 36. Still even. Let's go ahead and keep dividing down. Now I know I can divide those both by 6. And we get a solution of negative 2 over 3.